Right, here it is, May 31st, 2022, 32nd week of major construction. Time is now 5:10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm down here by the Old Town Tavern. Gonna check out the coming demolition of the sidewalk here. You can see they've already torn out one corner right here in front of me. I'm now up on the little patio area that's out in front of what was formerly the Vino Winery, looking down through into where the sidewalk will get torn out. Currently there's crews behind me starting up, but I don't see anybody doing any more work on this sidewalk, though it does look like they've torn out this one, or obviously they've torn out this one section right in front of me here where it cuts through to the parking lot. So they've yet to do anything back up here. They haven't even really moved the fence, though all of the patio furniture from the Old Town Tavern has been cleared off of the area to allow for demolition to occur. So this is what we got going on here. So I'm going to pan around here just a little bit, then I'm going to move back around to my Perch, back up around the ALINE building so I can see what's going on down there. So I'm not really sure what the schedule is for all of this demolition down through here, but I would think they would definitely be starting on it today. So we'll see, but I'm going to stop this right here and then move on back around to the A-line building. Alrighty. Right, here I am a little bit closer down to the A-line building. Just shooting over the fence again right here. I've got my step stool with me so I can see over the fences down here, so I'm just going to shoot a different perspective right here than what I might normally be shooting. See what's going on around here. We got across the way. Well, a whole lot of change down through here, other than I see that they've lined these planter areas and areas that'll be in contact with soil, I assume, with this Kingspan green guard, kind of some protective barrier there that they've got put up in all of these potential future flower beds and whatnot. So just shooting here for a second to see what's going on. Looks like the group of guys that were here have moved on back down towards the West Bowl down there for right now. So let me move on around a little bit farther, sort of just hunting and pecking today, seeing what they're doing here down here early in the morning. Alrighty. Alright, here I am down by the A-line building, shooting across. This hasn't really changed a whole lot since I was down here, other than this whatever these protective barriers they're putting up in these planter areas or places where they make contact with the soil. So I'm looking across here. I believe they have poured the concrete for that planter area over there. It looks like there's concrete in front of the yeah, I'm pretty sure that's been poured. So got that poured, the little wall there. I don't know if there's any more to that than what they've got over there now, but it does look like they poured that wall. Let's pan around here a little bit. See what's going on. We are in the West Paseo. Time is now 5:17 a.m. We'll move on up higher here. Here comes one of the work trucks. Sun hasn't come up yet, but starting to get some dawning light. Getting some workers going over on the west pole there. Yeah, I can see down below me here they have poured the concrete for this wall around the corner here, and so got that done. Pan on around here. That's what we got going on in the West Paseo here. Thought they'd be farther along on getting that demolition started over there, but such is not the case at the moment. So I'm going to end this here and start moving around to my different perches, see what's happening. We got a piece of equipment moving back down in here. Let me wait and see what's going on here. Smaller backhoes. See what this backhoe's doing. Going down in the general area of the potential demolition for the sidewalk down there, so maybe they're going to use that for tearing out the sidewalk. Let me pause this and move farther back. Right here I am down by the Old Town Tavern. This back area coming through. Haven't really started any demolition on this sidewalk yet, but it's all cleared off in preparation for that. So we walk on down through here. A good down to Brown and Main. Shoot over the fence. They are doing some irrigation pipe work in this one planter area here by the bar, I believe. So I'll shoot this real quick and then move on around a little bit. So that's what's going on down the West Paseo here. Working down by the little planter area there. Haven't really started any demolition yet. So I'm going to shoot just a little bit here and move it on around. Alrighty. Right, here I am coming out of the parking structure. The AZ88 heading towards the West Bowl down here. See what's going on. See through the fence, they've done a tremendous amount of demolition on this building over here, torn it all out. So I guess their plan is to almost rebuild the whole thing from scratch, new. So no renovation there. It's a total tear down of the building. All right, move on out on the patio here. See how here sun's coming up. Not a whole lot to change down here yet. Still doing some work over there by the library. That's what we got going on down here. Okay, not a whole lot of activity here yet. Now 5:34 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So I'm going to finish this up here, and I'm going to move on back over by the Old Town Tavern. See if they're going to start any demolition down there in the near future. Alrighty. I'm going to shoot over this fence for just a second into the demolition of this building here. That'll be a future little restaurant and bar down in here, I believe, is a goal to redo this whole thing into that purpose. I think down there you can see they have their own backhoe excavator that I assume is doing all this demolition down here. So this is what we got going on with this former little restaurant. It's going to be totally renovated and made into something new here. Alrighty. Well, here I am back by the Old Town Tavern. Walk down through here. Last days of the sidewalk here. See out here, it's doing looks like irrigation work in these planter areas here. Why this crew right now? Maybe that the demolition crew will be different people, but got all the patio furniture stored back over here. So no demolition yet. I was hoping they would be starting on this so I could catch some of it, but we'll see. Alrighty, I'm going to cut this short.